Guys, you can now scan and diagnose your car from every point of the world. You just need Wi-Fi connection. The only condition is we have to scan and plug an OBD in the car initially. Then we can work on the car as we want. Once we have a connection with ONLINEDIAG, we can see all modules and every DTC stored within the module. In this case, we can go to engine control module and we can see that there are 20 errors. Once we have the list, we can then see exactly what the error is. We can then delete them and pretty much do everything once we have a connection with the software. The Supercar software ONLINEDIAG is extremely easy to use. You could read DTCs, you could clear them, you could see their actual values, and you could do this pretty much from every point of the world, when you're on holiday, when you're in your bedroom, in the toilet, everywhere. Get ONLINEDIAG at diagnostic.com.